Do you know how to speak? Do you know how to make sentence? Because without sentence we cannot speak English speaking. This video is very important. Try to listen and first I will say my introduce. My name is Kunal and today I will talk about some new thing, and in this thing if you did not know in this thing, so you cannot speak English. So like that, so today's video you will learn a lot of things. And first you subscribe my channel, and if you new in this channel, so also hit the bell icon and like also. So don't waste time, let's begin. So guys, today's video I will say to you that how to make sentence easily. I will say that for three step. In these three step, if you follow these three steps, so you can learn English language. I take a guarantee. You can speak English speaking. I take a guarantee. So first, I will say that first thing is try to make sentence. How to make sentence? Yes, guys. So in this video, like, what is this? What is this? This is a watch. Yes, this is a watch. So how this watch help? This watch help to show time. This is a digital watch. This watch help to to see watch, to see time, and also to see phone calls, and also who just send a message. In this watch help to see that. So in this small thing you try to speak, you try to make sentence by this, by like uh, I will give some another example, like this tree have like a papaya tree, I think. In this tree, like you can see that in this tree's color is green, and the trees lots of branches, and in this tree have in this tree's body's color is like some of brown and some light green. So like you can just try to speak in this thing. So when you just do this, so you can notice that you just get lot of sentences and lot of etc thing. So in this sentence you used to make to conversation with someone. Yes guys, so number two is like in front of mirror. I always said, always every video I will say to you, in front of mirror you talking about yourself. What did you do yesterday? What did you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow? What did you do today? You just speak it, you just try to speak it. And if you do not speak it, so you cannot speak, you cannot know the English language. The English language is very important part to try to speak. If you did not speak, you cannot learn. This is the thing. And number three is very important, that practice and like do conversation. Do how to conversation, like you have a lot of friend, cool friend, and also your neighbor's friend. You just talking about what like some question, like think that how old are you, and where are you go today, and where did you go yesterday, where did you went yesterday, let's go to have some to play some games. You just talking about, and you also can answer question, and there he also can answer, and he also can question, and you also give answer. So when you do that, so you can also get a lot of stock word. You get lot of word, lot of question and answer you can know in this way. So that the second that the thing is practice, daily practice, and also read story. That when you read story, you have lot of stock word, and in this stock word help to make sentence. Yes guys, this is a very easy rule. Just you can notice that some a story has lots of sentence. it is it is impossible to copy all to like copy all of the sentence, all of the story, but it is possible when you practice it. Yes guys, so it is impossible. So if you new in this channel, so my topic is it you, if you new in this channel, so subscribe also my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye, see you in the next video guys.